I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2013 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. Okay, first we're going to be turning the ignition to the on position, 2 clicks. So now we're going to be pushing this trip button until we see trip A. Okay, so now we're going to be turning the ignition off. Okay, so now we're going to be pushing this trip button down. Just hold it, and at the same time turn the ignition to the on position, 2 clicks. Okay, so now the light went off. So that's how you reset a maintenance required light. Don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.